AN Shorts. Hello, brother. Hello, Samuel. Welcome to our stream. AN Shorts, welcome to our stream. I hope my voice is audible. So please confirm my voice is audible. So please let me know in the comment section. My voice is loud and clear. All right, AN Shorts. Anyone else who's watching? How was your day? How was your day? Yesterday's day and today's day. How it is going? Okay, Samuel. Thank you for confirming, brother. And let's go, Twitters. Let's complete 10 likes. How was your day yesterday? I hope you were profitable. Yeah. I'll explain you. I'll explain you. Yeah. Mine also wonderful, bro. Mine also wonderful. I'm already in profits on my funded account. Already in profits. Let other traders join and let's go, traders. Let's complete 10 likes. So yesterday, traders, unfortunately, my mouse, my mouse was broken, and that's why we missed that bleeding, traders. So we will be talking about each and everything in a while. Just have some patience. Let's complete 10 likes. So let other traders join. Now it's 6:20 p.m. IST. Okay, so let's have a look at today's news events. So today is Tuesday, March 3. Okay, so 3rd of March. So today we have Holi festival. Okay, so this is Colors Festival. So that is why I won't be here for so long. Okay, so I'm just here for quick updates, and I just don't want to miss any day. Okay, so we need to be consistent, regular live streaming. Okay, so that is why I don't want to miss any day. Let's go, traders. Let's complete 10 likes. Let's go. Who else is watching? How was your day, traders? Yesterday and today. I hope you're profitable. Let's complete 10 likes. Gold is interesting, but you see, gold is working according to our market structure. So now I'll explain you, okay? So let's complete 10 likes. Let's go. Let's go. Who else is watching? So I have already updated in the Telegram. Okay, so I always update. Always, you'll get notified on Telegram also. And make sure your bell notification is on. Let's go, traders. Let's complete 10 likes. So today is Tuesday, March 3, and let's have a look at today's news events. So as you can see, traders, 8:25. Okay, so here we have some GBP news, which is already done. So USD, 8:25 p.m. we have FOMC member William speak. Okay, and this is economic optimism. You have so these are some low impact news. So there are some low impact news events. Okay, so already you see, traders, market is fully volatile. Okay, it's because of war situations. Okay, so you already know. So let's have a look at the headlines. So what's going on? Let's go with us. Let's complete 10 likes. So gold drops below 5200 on stronger USD. So yesterday only we saw that US dollar was positive. Okay. So we did some analysis. So that is why traders pay attention to our streams. Okay. So make sure you can note, you can always note down points. Okay. So whatever points, important points, so you can always write it down. So make sure you grab a piece of paper and pen always with you. Okay, so gold drops below. So once you are able to identify the market structure, you see helping you. I'm helping you with market structure. Okay, so that's easy for you now. So I'll explain you. So step by step, you're getting aligned with me. Okay, so I know it will take time, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. So we'll make it. Don't worry. Okay. Now here, what do we have? So gold drops below 5200 on stronger USD rallying. Okay. Gold attracts some intraday selling and falls below 5200 on Tuesday. The US dollar climbs to a fresh high since Jan 20 and turns out to be a key factor exerting downward pressure on the commodity. The 10-year US Treasury bond rises nearly 2% on the day, putting additional weight on gold shoulders. Okay, so gold shoulders. All right, so this is the major headline now. Okay, so this is what happening in gold, and let's try to what is headline. So you see traders, these all are headlines. So that is why you always check these fundamentals. Okay, so these fundamentals are very very important, and especially in this war situations. Okay, so you always keep checking these fundamentals. Okay, you can see some Russia news on same Iran US war, some updates. So you always need to be stay focused on okay, Iran war could reopen Russian debate over Russian. All headlines are important for us. So you see, we can always write down these notes. Okay, so take it as a business. Okay, traders. That's what I'm teaching you. Let's have a look here. Let's go, traders. Let's complete 10 likes. Here, thing check out over here. So market. Okay, so currently you can see Twitter US market is neutral. Okay, so already the selling is done in gold. Let's go traders. So let's complete 20 likes and I will show you my funded update. Okay, so let's hit for 20 likes now, and then I'll show you my funded update, funded account update. Okay. Okay, so oil prices are hiked. Okay, so yesterday itself we saw $82 to $80. Okay, $82 price was up to per barrel. So now let's move on to our chart. Do we have anything else? Are we missing anything? Okay, we don't have anything. Only FOMC member speech. Okay, William. Nothing else. Okay, all low impact news. Okay, but we need to be careful. Tomorrow is an important day. Tomorrow we have ADP non-farm employment, okay, and ISM server. Tomorrow we have news event. tomorrow is important, and already we made that fall. Let's have a look at that. Okay, so let's complete 10 likes. Let's go to this. Let's complete 10 likes. Then we will move on to the charts. And for funded update, make sure you smash 20 likes. Let's go. Let's go to this. Here, as you can see, traders, gold and silver prices have further to fall before reaching the floor. Iran conflict and tariff uncertainty are tariff is also there. Okay, so tariff is also playing a major role. Right, traders. Okay, so this was the fall. Okay, so first what I'm gonna delete all these lines. Okay, so we will not get confused. Whatever it is, delete everything and then I'll explain. All right, traders. So, okay. Okay, so you see, traders, this was our previous analysis. Okay, this was our previous analysis. So until here, everyone is aware. Okay, so I hope until okay, now you see better. So this was the range. Okay, so this was the range, and this was our change of character. Got it? This 5-minute change of character, market was respecting its optimal entry. Okay, so market was respecting its optimal. We know that market has already gave no market already gave us a change of character above, breaking these structures. Okay, so these lower low structures, breaking these lower low structures, market already gave a change of character above. Okay, and market already retraced from 38%. So I told you from this point onwards, I told you market will not sustain longer. Okay, so did I mention this? Did I mention this? Anyone remember? Okay, so continuously we are talking about this. Okay, so we are talking about the same. So now yesterday itself, you can check out my yesterday's stream. So yesterday itself, we drew this level. Okay, so this was our level. Okay, so this was the breakout. This breakout happened, was responsible for this breakout, these buyers. Okay, trend will be from here till this high. Okay, you can check out our yesterday stream. This was the higher high, and this is each and everything same. Okay, so I haven't changed anything. All right, traders. So this was the 5-minute uh, precise swing true structure. Okay, so this was also yesterday. This is all yesterday's drawings. Okay, this was our break of structure. I told you this was the break of structure. And yesterday stream also I mentioned that if we are not breaking above this, then definitely we are breaking this. Now, why? What was our logic? Our main logic was this swing. Okay, so we were following this swing. Got it? Let me perfectly. All right, traders. So you see, traders, I have marked perfect swing. Okay. So now I will show you specifically we are focusing these levels. Okay, so 38% level and 58% level already saw yesterday also. Okay, so you see, traders, market came onto those levels, and yesterday we had a word that this market may give a break of structure, break of structure and change of character below, change of character plus break of structure in the 5-minute time frame. Okay, traders, so I told you this is the 5-minute swing, so market can give a breakout below this. Okay, coming back to our 50% discounted level. Okay, so this is fib, this is fib, and 50% is very normal traders. Okay, so you don't need a fib. You can use other tools also. So GAN tool also you can use for calculating 50%, but we are using fib. Got it? So you see traders, now what happens afterward, what happens? So traders, you see here, my mouse was not working. Okay, so I'll mark the same thing. Okay, so this was this over here traders, just after the opening of the US session. Okay, so in this place my mouse was not working. Okay, so I told you traders, from here if you are not giving this breakout, then definitely we are coming below to take out this and come back into at least this level was expected. Okay, so you remember, at least I told you this level is expected and market can come down to this level. Okay, so pinpoint from the discount level, you see traders, discount level, boom boom boom, we got a beautiful move. But what happened after this? So we were not able to break this. Okay, so we were not able to break this because this is the swing high. Okay, so this needs to be, so you see traders, for a trend continuation. Now can I delete this Fibonacci? So traders, you see, so this is the 50% swing. Okay, so of this range. Okay, so first clue is we got a change of character over here. Okay, so we got a change of character over here. So now what happens traders? So this change of character doesn't mean that I'm involved into selling. Okay, so this change of character doesn't mean that I am involved into this. So first let me draw this. Okay, so what is that change of character? Okay, so first let's draw that and then you will be more. Okay, so you see traders, was our level, this was the breakout. Okay, so overall this was the trend. Got it? This was the trend. So we have to mark the whole trend. Okay, so because this was the highest point that gave this breakout. Okay, so this was the highest point that gave this breakout. Okay traders, so what we are gonna do, I'm gonna mark this. Let's go traders, let's complete 20 likes. So I'll show you my funded update. Let's go traders. 20 likes, it's very small. Let's go. And today's stream is small traders. Let's go traders. Help and support us. Show some love. Okay traders. So you see, this is our swing now. Okay. This is our swing which gave a change of character. So first thing first, we have one clue. Okay, one clue. Now what happened? This change of character, obviously it has to respect 50% or 60% or even the optimal entry levels, because the price is moving in upside direction. Got it? Because the price is moving in upside direction, this retracement was possible. So I already told you traders, you see here my mouse was not working, so I told you if we don't break this, then we have possibilities targeting this low. Okay, and maybe we give a change of character hitting into 50% level. So you can check out our yesterday stream. Okay, so each and everything is available. Okay, so you can, after this stream, so make sure you go check yesterday stream. Okay, so this was perfect 50% retracement. Then you see traders, again we were unable to break this. Okay, so now this is the continuation, this is the retracement, and this must be the continuation again. But what happened over here? So now what was our 5-minute swing over here? Let's mark that thing. So this is our 5-minute swing now. What happened again? Let's go traders. Let's complete 20 likes. Let's go. What happened over here? Market stayed inside this optimal entry zone. Okay, so this is our second confirmation. And again, I'll explain you. Okay, so we got 3 confirmations now. Okay, so one thing is, see, this high was this high is 15 minutes plus 5 minutes. Okay, so first understand this. This is this high created 15 minutes high also, and 5 minutes high also. Got it? So now market, you see, market gave a change of character over here. So that was the first point. Got it? And second point was this swing after this 50% retracement, it was unable to break this high. Okay, it was unable to break this high, and also this was the second point. Okay, so this swing was unable to break this high, so that was the second point. And third point was, okay, so third point is, see, now third point is this respect. Okay, this respect, boom, 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 continuation. Got it? So that's how we caught this move. And I was not able to exactly make use of this move. Okay, so now actually I got the mouse. Okay, so just now before starting the stream, okay, so before starting the stream, I got the mouse. So this is temporary mouse using now. Okay, traders, so understood whole story. So now over here what happened, so you see we are unable to break this. Still our this swing is intact. Okay, so that's just a liquidity grab. Till this swing is intact. Okay, till this swing is intact. Now after this we got this swing. Okay, we can mark that, right? Copy this, boom. Okay, okay traders, so this is how you can, this is how you can mark your structures and always be profitable. Okay, let's go traders. Today's stream is not for not so long stream. Okay, so I don't have time to even wait for your likes. Okay, so I'll just refresh this page. Okay, so this is logged out. Okay, just a moment traders, just a moment. I'll log in again. Okay, so now you see we have this swing, and this low is also not taken out. Okay, so let me mark this. Okay, so this is my MT4. Okay, this is my MT4, and you see traders, now I am in profit of $1,700. Okay, yesterday I started this account. Now I am already 3% up. Got it? So I already gave you the update. Okay, so this is the update. So I am not trading anymore. So yesterday I covered 2%. Okay, and today I covered 1%. Got it? Today I covered 1%, so we are 3% up. So now our target is only 5% remaining. Okay, so I swear to God, I could have captured this move. Okay, I could have captured this whole move. Okay, I was totally aware of this thing, because you see, one day itself my account will get passed. Okay, so I'll pass my account in just one day, because I have to complete 3 minimum trading days. Okay, so what is a minimum trading day? So when you make profit more than 0.50%. Okay, so now for example, you have a you have a 10K account. Okay, so 1% is $100. Okay, so when you make $50 or more than this, above this, okay, so $50 and above, so then your minimum trading day will be calculated. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. Okay, so this way, so you need to complete 3 days. Okay, so now you need to complete 3 days. So yesterday I have shown you I already completed my 1 day. So now today my second day is completed. So now only I have to complete third day. So third day I can make more profit. Okay, so I can make more profit like 4%, 5%. I can aim for whole 5% also. But I don't want to set an example like this. Okay, so I want all my viewers, all my subscribers, okay, so who trust me, so I just want to show them the right way. Okay, so you see traders, this was a super big move, and I actually, you see, this was so pinpoint move. This was so pinpoint move from 78% optimal zone. Okay, so if you are following the market structure that I am providing you, so then also you will be profitable. Got it? You see, we were already aware of this move. Okay, so we were already aware of this move, because you see, I already told you, for the change of character, or the break of structure to be confirmed, we need breakout. Okay, so now this swing was accurate. Now this swing was accurate from the, you see, market respected the 50% level. That is the discount level, the initial official discount level, that is 50%. So market hit that 50% and market went up. Okay, so market went up but unable to break this. Okay, so unable to break this. So this shows the weakness. This shows the weakness. Got it? This shows the weakness. That is why market fell. Okay, so lot of people were hoping that the gold will climb in the war situation, as always. Okay, so as always, so because you see traders, worldwide things are happening. So I already told you 16 countries are involved in war. Okay, so 16 countries are involved in war. Yesterday itself we saw in detail. Okay, all the names and everything. And traders, one more thing, why gold is falling. So yesterday also we had a word. Okay, let me uh, let me show you this also. Okay, okay, so this also I have explained you everything. Got it? So there are some investment phases right now. Okay, so for example, this is BTC now. So for example, this is the investment phase. Okay, now once this 60,000 level is broken, then what do we have? How do you make the calculations? Okay, so when you are investing, so how do you make the calculations? So you see, this is our demand, lowest. Okay, this is our demand, mark like this also, but I would like to take this round figure 30,000. Okay, so you see, this is 20,000 area, this is 30,000 area. Okay, so this is 2030. Got it? So this is 2030. So what do we have here? So from this level, so now this is 67 and we're talking from 60. So from 60 we have this 30. Okay, so we have this $30,000 range. Got it? So we have this $30,000 range. Okay, so we already covered the FVG, and we have some FVGs unfilled all the way down. Okay, so it's not expected that market will come this way, but due to war situations. Okay, due to war situations, so anything can happen. Okay, so any big money out of the market, and then we see a fall. Okay, any big money inside the market. Okay, any big money inside the market, then we see foolishness. Okay, traders. So it's totally decentralized, and you see, traders, we don't know whoever you see some of the traders, they're holding in billions. Some of the I mean all the banks, institutions, each and everyone. Okay, so everyone is holding BTC. All right. Okay, so now what's happening over here? So let's calculate this swing. Okay, traders. So you see, traders, now price is rejected from the 50% level. Okay, so now from the 50% level, if the price is rejecting, so what is our expectation? That the price will break this. Okay, so that is simple. So now we got a, change of character, retracement, down. Okay, change of character, continuation. Also this, you see daily swing was unable to break this higher high. Okay, this falling. So now what is our expectation? To fall like this. Okay, fall like this. So what you can do is now, what you can do is, you see now, you know, this is the 50% level. Also this is a simple breakout level. Okay, so market support, breakout, again have extra confidence when you are aware of the market structure. So you can, you see, capture candles like this. Okay, so this candle itself is of 780, you see, traders, $78. Oh my good, $78, 780 pips. 780 pips, just one single candle, if you are only aware of this thing. Okay, so now what you can do is, traders, you have this thing, this low. So let me mark something for you. You can also copy the same. So this is your low now, and over here this gap, make it that as this low. Okay, this is the low. Now what are the scenarios? Let me explain you. Okay, so now this is the swing low of our 15 minutes structure. So 15 minutes for this, you see, break of structure, I need a candle closing below this level. Okay, so below this level, pinpoint. Even if it gives me, you see, 0.1 pip also, 0.1 pip also, then also I'm considering this as a breakout. Okay, so I need below this. Okay, now the market, you see, market created a wick. Hey mate, what's up? London time, you didn't come. Yeah, bro. I was actually, you see, my mouse was broken, and today is holy, brother. You see, holy festival, colors festival. So that is why, dude, I was, having some fun, bro. And already, brother, I am 3% up. So I've already shown. So let me show you once again. Already I am 3% up. Okay. So you see, so already $1,700. I'm profitable. Sorry, I'm in profits. I'm extremely sorry. I'm in profits. So $1,700. We are in profits now. Okay. So almost 3% we are up now. Okay. And our remaining target is 5%. Okay. So you all know yesterday itself, you know, so just yesterday I started this account. Okay. So you see, traders, honestly, I swear to God, I could have caught this move. Okay. I could have caught this whole move, and I could have just, today itself I could have completed. So yesterday I made 2%. Okay, yesterday I made 2%, and today I just made 1%. Okay, so today I just made 1%. So traders, you see, I could have, you know, hold. You see, I could have done the holding. I could have completed this trade in one move. Okay, so my 2% was already done. So remaining was 6%. So I could have today completed at least 5%. Okay, so remaining only 1%. So I just don't want to set an example. Okay, so where I completing my accounts in just 1, 2, and 3. Boom. So like I don't want to set an example like this. Okay, if you are looking for long term, so that way you need to work. No matter market is giving us big profits. Okay, so because that confuses our psychology. Okay, so don't play with your psychology. Once you set your psychology, so step by step, consistently you grow. Okay, consistently you grow. In your live accounts, what you do is you hold these profits. Okay, so you can capture these profits when you have live funded accounts. Okay, so with small lots you can capture these profits and you can earn big money. Okay, but now you see traders in trade when you're trading in war situations. Okay, so things are different. Okay, so you need to be very careful, and especially when you are trading prop firm, you see all of a sudden market can fall like 500 to 1000 pips instantly. Market can rise 500,000 pips instantly. Okay, so if you have big lots, if you are not good with risk management, okay, risk reward, if you're not good with risk management, if you have big lots, then your account will be wiped out and you lose your account. Okay, so that way I'm teaching you, go step by step, slow and steady, take your time. Okay, so now we are up 1700. Okay, when you taken trade today, I took trade just before starting the stream, brother. I mean, not just before starting the stream, I mean you know half London session, mid session, mid London session. I took that trade mid London session. Okay, so yeah, so you see traders, this is the low, and still we are you know following higher high structure. Okay, so this is not a breakout. This is not a breakout, or else in 15 minutes we have to draw this structure and we will get a change of character of this level. Okay, so we get a change of character below and you wait for the retracement and then again a continuation. Okay, so now in this case what's happening, so you see market gave us a wick. Okay, so this wick could be liquidity sweep, liquidity hunt. Okay, traders. Yeah, bro. I will trade, bro. I will trade, bro. But you see, sometimes you see opportunities like these are not, worth missing. So I'll be also capturing from London session. Okay, traders. So my mouse was not working, so that was the problem yesterday. And today, Holi festival. Okay, color festival. Today, everything was closed. Okay, all the shops, each and everything was closed. To be honest. Okay, so yesterday in the US session, so here itself, my mouse was not working on this level. Okay, so I already told you, if you are not breaking above this level, then we have chances that we can break this, give a change of character. You can check out my yesterday stream. Okay, so you see this was the swing. We got 50% respect, we got 50% level respected, we got this move, but unable to break past this level. Okay, so unable to break past this level, that means sellers got weak, buyers got weak in this range. Okay, so these sellers took over, then the 78% rejection, and we saw that this was not able to break past this level. Okay, you see, beautiful rejection. That is how you trade market and you stay updated. Yes, bro. I also remember you said you will trade with us. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Namzi, brother. Hello. Yes, bro. Yes, bro. I will trade with you guys. Don't worry, bro. Okay, so now what are the possibilities? What are the possibilities, traders? So you see, this is our 5 minute swing, the change of character, continuation, the 5 minute swing. And we saw that market respected from this 50% level, Fibonacci level. When you mark this, so some new viewers, let me mark this again. Okay, market respected from 3% gave us a 780 pips candle. It's just 15 minutes. Market gave us 780 pips candle. So why, bro? Why you want to get involved in the market? If you don't follow the market structure, so there's nothing in this world that can save you. Okay. So market structure is the key. Okay, is the key if you want to enter the luxury lifestyle of stock market. If you want to enjoy the profits, then market structure is the key, basic fundamental. Okay, need to be good with market structure, and it's not like that you go and watch some videos, two videos, and then you will be expert in pro in just 1 2 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Okay, it takes time, bro. Can back test, can always play with the charts. You can always play with the charts. You can always use logic. Okay, where's the trend going on, which trend took retracement. Okay, so from where it took the retracement, from where it is, have to find out all those things. Okay, so now what's happening, traders? So what are the probabilities? Okay, so what's the time? Okay, it's 7 p.m. It's 7 p.m. traders. Okay, so half an hour to go for the US session. Okay, half an hour to go for the US session. Anyone else, any doubt, queries? So why everyone is so silent, bro? Why everyone is silent? Is your in trading not good? Any losses? Any worries? Any problems? Let me know. Let me know. Okay, so now what are the probabilities? So now what are our expectations? So now this is the lower low. Okay, so this was the change of character, continuation, and now market respected from this level, 50% level. Okay, so market respected from this 50% level. So now what is our expectation? That the market will fall. Okay, so give us a breakout of this level, this low. Okay, we need the breakout of this low. Then only that this whole move will be confirmed. Okay, or else if we are not, we are just roaming in this area. If we are just hovering in this area, we are not giving a breakout below. Then you see this trend is protected. Okay, so this thing is still protected. This thing is still protected. Okay, so this is still protected. Market still has chances that market will recover. Okay, so in war situations, you trade your trade logic. Simple, bro, simple. I have already explained you the logic, bro, over here. You see, traders, until here you were all aware. You check out my yesterday stream. Okay, so you check out my yesterday stream. Until here you all are aware. So we got a change of character, continuation. Also when you see over here, let me show like this. Okay, so this was our swing. So 50% retracement, continuation, but unable to break this. Okay, so simply buyers got weak, and this was the change of character. Market respected again 78% level and took that level and gave a break of structure below again. Okay, so now still this break of structure is not valid. Okay, so this is still invalid for me. Still I don't want to get involved in sell positions. Okay, so still this is just not good. Okay, so this is just weak. This is a liquidity hunt. Okay, my comments are deleting. I don't know, bro. I don't know. If you are typing anything promotional or something like that, then only your comments will get deleted. I don't know, bro. Comment again, brother. All right, traders. I think you don't want to provide me likes. You don't want to give me likes. Let's go, traders. Let's complete 20 likes. Okay, so see, traders, this was this simple break of structure. Okay, now we are rejecting from that 50% zone. Let's see, if we are breaking below this, then this whole thing will be invalid and we get a new 15-minute swing and a break of structure. Then we will be waiting for that retracement. Then we will be entering downside. Okay. And only after watching all the big time frames, this is the 15-minute scenario. So this is not applicable full. We have to look other time frames as well. What's happening with the structures like daily, weekly. Okay. See, this was our previous retracement. Was our previous retracement for our structure, respecting 60% level. Then we are continuing up. So if this was a true trend, then respecting from 60% level, we might see a breakout here. That's not the case. Market just doesn't want to move downwards. Okay? It's just going up and up and up steadily. Okay? Now we are in war situations. That is why we need to be careful. Yes, bro. Yes, I'll do that. I'll do that. First, first you see, you must support me. Okay, I'm not talking about you. I know you've liked the video. Talking about all other traders. Okay, so we need to support our community, support traders. Okay, so everything is for free. Must respect our hard work and must support our community. Okay. Okay, so now until now this thing is not valid, not valid. Still we need that break of this, these two. Let's see. I'm not going to trade. Okay. Today is our festival. Today I'm just having fun, and I just took some 1% profits in here. Okay. I told you mid London session, so I took some profits and I'm out of the market and I'm already 3% up. Okay, just 2 days, it's not bad. So yesterday my 1 day is completed profitable day, and today my second day is completed. Okay, so I only have one profitable day remaining, 3 days complete, and yeah, my phase one also will be completed. So after this, I want to buy big account. Okay, big account, 200K, 100K, 400K. Any doubts, any queries, traders? I am not here for long streaming. Okay, so this stream will be quick stream, and also we are not getting any likes. Okay, so only 11 likes. I'll be ending this stream. Okay, so tomorrow we will continue from London session. Okay. about funded accounts? Can you explain in depth? Yeah, bro. I'll someday take my time to explain you. Okay. Just that same topic, funded accounts. I'll show you, brother. Join my Telegram channel. You can ping me. So I'll help you out, bro. Today is Holy Festival, brother. Festival of colors. So I am little bit busy. Okay, so that's why I am not trading today. So today it's just considered like an holiday, but I don't want to miss any days. Okay, so I just want to be consistent. So that is why I am live, brothers. Okay. So it's very simple. Abhay, are you watching? Please confirm. If you're watching, please confirm. Let's go, traders. Let's complete 20 likes. Okay. Yeah. Join Telegram, brother. And make sure you subscribe to our channel. So funded accounts are simply, you know, when you don't have access to big funds. Okay, so when you don't have access to big funds, so what you can do is you can pay some fees. Okay, so you can pay some fees. This is your funded program. Any funded firm you can choose. Okay, so this is your funded firm, FF, and you are paying some fees. Okay, so starting from $39, you get a 5K capital. Okay, so for this 5K live funds, you need to pass two phases, phase 1, phase 2. Okay, so phase 1 is 8% target and phase 2 is 5% target. Okay, so you have some set of rules that you need to follow in order to complete this. Okay, so this is after passing your phase 2. Okay, so after passing these both the phases, you get access to the live funds and you become live funded trader. Okay, so whatever profits you make, so you receive 80% and company keeps 20%. Okay, so it's a 80-20 split. And also after passing your account, so you get your $39 refunded. Okay, so you get your $39 refunded. So make sure, Abhay, I have provided the link in the description, 5%ers. Okay, so that's the number one prop firm in the world after FTMO. Okay, so if you want FTMO, you can go with FTMO. But if you're interested in 5%ers, then link is in the description. If you lose that 5K, if you break their rules, okay, what are the rules? So 5% is the daily drawdown. Okay, so you cannot go above this. So this is your daily drawdown fixed, and all over maximum drawdown is 10%. Okay, so if you're trading 5K account, then you can lose up to 500, that is 10%. Okay, so you using this margin, you have to earn 8%. What is 8%? 8% is $400. And second phase is 5%. So what is 5%? 5 5 are 25, so $250. Okay, so phase 1, phase 2, same rules. Okay, so daily drawdown 5%. So you can use up to this 5% on a daily basis. Okay, so you have that access, and your maximum overall drawdown will be 10%. Okay, so you cannot lose more than this. One single dollar, one single cent, if you lose more than this 10% margin, then you lose your account, and again you have to buy. Okay, so what if it breaks? Why will it retrace back? Where, brother, where? Please comment again, Samuel. I have to show the funded firm that I earned 400 once, and oh yeah. Yes. You have to show them, you have to pass your phase 1, phase 2, and then they will be giving you access to their live funds. Okay, because it's a big amount. That is why you have two phases to complete. So there is a another thing. Okay, so you can check out in 5%ers. You also have one stage account. Okay, so where you have only one stage to complete. Okay, so overall you have 10% to complete in one stage. Only phase one. Once you complete this altogether, then you get access to live fund. Okay, okay, Samuel, please can you please can you explain me what do you mean by the break? Why we retrace? Let's go to this. Let's complete 20 likes. Let's go. Yes, yes, brother. Withdrawals are easy. You can withdraw using crypto. You can withdraw using Rise payments, or I don't know. They have many payment options. So I usually prefer crypto. That is best. So you see nowadays crypto is down. Okay, so I have already told you regarding this. So already the crypto is down. So already I'll be getting my withdrawals in crypto, maybe USDT. Okay, so that is Tether. So I'll getting my withdrawal in USDT, and I will be buying crypto. Okay, so I'll be investing in crypto. So that's what I've told you. That is why I am here. Okay, so that is why I am here. So if you want to build your life, if you want to build your dream, then you're at the right place. All you need to do is subscribe to our channel and make sure you smash that like button. Let's go. We need 20 likes. You have to support me, traders. If you want me to stream regularly, then you have to support me. Okay? Samuel, please let me know what was your question. Can you come again? Ovijit, hi bro, what should be today's action plan for US session? All right, so that is what I am explaining you now. Now 13 minutes to go. When the market breaks the 5074 structure, why will retrace it back? 5074 structure. You mean by this? Okay. Brother, what happens where after a breakout, you see, here we got a change of character. Okay. Here we got a change of character. Got it? Goes higher high, higher high. We got a change of character. After breaking this, after breaking this thing, price retraces. Retracement is compulsory, bro. If the price is not retracing, then that retracement is not healthy. I mean, that swing is not healthy. Okay. Yesterday also, previous week stream also we discussed that this retracement is from 38%. Okay, so this retracement is from 38%. So I already told you this will be not healthy, will be not healthy. We were waiting for that 50% retracement. We were waiting for that buys, but market never came there. That's how market works. Now your question. Okay, now you see when we get a breakout of this zone, now this is our zone. Okay, so this is our zone which gave us a confirmation of this change of character. Now this change of character on the first hand took place over here. So this thing gave us a confirmation. Okay, so but still what we see is we haven't crossed this level yet. Okay, so this is just a liquidity grab, liquidity hunt. Okay, so this is just a liquidity hunt. So we need body closing below this level. Okay, so for this break of structure, we need body closing below this level. So if we are coming down breaking this, then what will happen? What will happen? Now we are respecting the 50% level from here also. Okay, we are respecting the 50% level. So usually what is our expectation? This is a change of character. Retracement, this is the confirmation and continuation. Okay, so this is the continuation and the confirmation of this change of character. Yes, this is declaration. So now you see this move is the declaration that yes, we sellers are, in control. This is the declaration. So this was the you see initial change of character, and this was their declaration. This was their declaration. Okay, so they declared the war. We are now sell side. Okay, so now what are the chances? So now market is respecting from 50%. Okay, so from here market respected the 78% pinpoint. So you can just check out the Fibonacci from this level. Okay, so now the market is respecting from 50%. So what are our expectations? We are expecting that the market will give us a new lower low. Okay, This was the change of character, this was the higher low, and this was the lower low. This was the higher low. We are expecting again for a lower low. But here you see things are different. So we see traders, now we have a higher high over here. I mean the bullish swing over here. Okay, so still this is not broken. So that is why everything depends on this. So now what is the you I mean how you're gonna trade today? So what will be your plan? What is your game plan? Okay, so I'll be ending this stream, okay traders, after the just beginning of the US session. So within some time I'll be ending this stream. Okay, so today is a holiday. Okay, so we have festival today, so I have to do a lot of work at home. Okay, so I am busy, and already I am 3% up. So as you can see, this is my funded account. Okay, 50,000. So yesterday I started, and now I am $1,700 plus. That is 3% in profits. Okay, so I am happy. So I'm closing this. I'm not gonna trade now. So what is your game plan? What must be your game plan today? If you want to trade gold, so first thing first, you remember this, that this thing is not broken yet. Okay, so first thing first, you remember this. So this thing is not broken yet. Okay, so still market has the chance of recovery. Okay, so this will be used as an inducement, and then the market can recover. Okay, so market has always probabilities. So market works on probabilities. So now what's happening over here? So this thing is not invalid as of now, but we see lower lows after this change of character. This was the declaration. Okay, so now what we are expecting from that 50%, we are expecting a lower low, breaking this and breaking this, confirming this whole change of character in the 15 minutes. Okay, so now this is initial messages. These are the initial messages. The only thing you're gonna notice is if the price is breaking below this. Okay, so if the price is breaking below this, so what you need to do is you need to mark this as your 15-minute swing, and you then wait for the retracement. You don't get involved after the breakout. So after the breakout, what will happen? After the breakout, price will give something like this, and price will start retracing. So where until where you can expect 38%, 58%, you can capture that buy move, and then you can get involved. This will be counter trend. Okay, so this thing will be a counter trend, and then you can get involved in the sell move. Okay, capturing this break of structure. Okay traders, so in the 5 minute also 50% pinpoint accuracy retracement is done. Okay, yes, Mr. Chow. Hello brother. Okay, Mr. Chow, you see now this thing, this was our higher high. Yeah, I'll summarize. Yes, I'll summarize. Okay, so traders, this was the change of character. Okay, which gave us this break of structure, and you see this was the 38% retracement that we saw last week. Okay, and I already told you this won't be this won't be surviving for a long, because this was a 38% unhealthy retracement. Okay, so we got this break of structure that we already discussed yesterday. Okay, so what happened? And Mr. Chow, if you remember, near around this area my mouse was not working. Okay, so my mouse was not working exactly near this area. So what I told you yesterday, where I left, okay, so where were we left? So you see this was the swing. Okay, and we were waiting for that breakout above. Okay, but I told you, if we get breakout above this, then only we are bullish. Okay, so what market did? Market gave us a change of character over here. Okay, so this was the change of character, and also if you calculate this swing, this 15-minute swing. Okay, so if you calculate this 15-minute swing, so this was a 50% perfect retracement that I've already marked. Okay, so this was the perfect 50% retracement, and then a market didn't continue. Okay, so buyers got weak over here. Okay, traders. So overall, what happened? So these sellers took over the market. So these sellers, this change of character. So these are the indications. Okay, these sellers took over and respecting from the 70% level. And this red box also yesterday itself withdraw. Okay, so yesterday itself I drew this line, drew this box. So you can just check our yesterday stream. Okay, so perfect 78% optimal entry level retracement and then a continuation and a declaration of this confirmation of this change of character. Okay, so this was the confirmation. Now what we are expecting, so from here market is now respecting 50%, so we are expecting for a breakout below. Okay, but until now this level is not broken, so till this buy side is valid. Okay, so if we are not breaking this, so just remember traders, if you are not breaking this, okay, if you are not breaking this, then definitely we have that possible I mean we have that recovery possibility. Okay, so market can recover, market market has that chance to recover. Okay, so now we are in war situations, so a lot of tensions are going on. So all over I've told you 16 countries are involved in war now as of now. Okay, so a lot of tensions going on, so that is why I'm going slow with my account. So already I'm 3% up now. Okay, so my target remaining is 5% now. Okay, so anybody who's looking for reliable prop firms, so go with 5%ers, link is in the description. Okay, so you'll get guaranteed payouts, never face any problems. All you need to do is follow their rules and regulations. Okay. Okay, traders. So let's see. Let's wait for the US opening and I'll be back after a 5 minutes break. Okay, traders. So let's see what's happening after the US opening, and then I will end this stream. Okay, traders. So today is our festival, and today I'm very busy. So now I'll end the stream and I'll enjoy my festival. Okay, traders. So I'm already 3% up. Okay, so yesterday itself I got the account, so I don't want to do mistakes in a hurry. So I'll go slow. So tomorrow I'll catch you in the London stream. Okay, so I'll be taking a 5 minutes break now. So please allow me a 5 minutes, 10 minutes break. Okay, so I'll be back. So just 5-10 minutes break. Okay, so now we have US opening. So within 2 minutes we have the US opening. Okay, so I'll be back within 5-6 minutes. Okay. So let's see traders, we are looking for this breakout. So if you are not breaking this, then it's a trap. Okay, then this whole sell setup is a trap. Okay traders, so if you are not breaking this whole sell setup is a trap and we can recover from here. Okay, so breaking this and targeting all-time high. So usually in the war situations market is super bullish, so gold is a safe haven. Okay, so gold can never fall. Just remember traders, gold can never fall. So and fundamentals are with gold, not against gold. Okay, so gold is a safe haven. So you see 16 countries are involved in war situation, so which is the safest asset? So gold is a safe haven, bro. Everyone will invest in gold. So we saw previously how gold was crazy, giving us all-time highs. Same way this is war, including 16 countries are involved all over. Okay, so this is towards this these all these indications are pointing finger towards World War III. Okay, so this is so serious situations. So I you see traders, that's why you be prepared for all the situations. So this is 21st century modern world AI technology. This is 21st century modern world AI technology. So a lot of dangerous things are coming. The future, upcoming future. Okay, so upcoming future is dark. So you need to be rich and powerful. Okay. So if you're rich and powerful, then only you can survive. Donald Trump is live. Is it because of that there is dump? No, bro. Even if dollar Trump is Mr. President is live, still US is involved in war. Okay, so US dollar is flowing out. US dollar is flowing out. So you see drones are getting destroyed. One drone cost 100 million. Okay, so one single drone cost 100 million, 300 million. There are drones, single drones worth 300 millions. Okay, so there are billions of dollars of equipments. So the cash flow is going outside. So, but how the gold, how US dollar is strong? It's due to Venezuela oil. So you remember that contract? So US already captured the Venezuela before getting involved with Iran. Okay, so Venezuela was the indication, and then after securing the bag, then this thing happened. Okay, so it's all planned, brother. It's all planned. So it's all we don't know anything. It's all geopolitics. Okay, so I'm just assuming it. I may be wrong. I don't know. We all are assuming it. Okay, so we may be wrong, but as per experience, our assumptions are right. Okay, so we can rely on that. Okay, Twitter. So that's what's happening. So we saw the Venezuela conflict. So billions dollars of worth, so that is why dollar is holding, traders. Okay, dollar is holding itself. We check out the dollar index chart. See, traders, we discussed something yesterday also. So let's see what happened. So you see, traders, what happened yesterday also. We discussed some. Told you, traders, this will continue until this supply. Okay, so yesterday, so you can check out the stream, traders. You can check out the stream. So this was the breakout. I told you, traders, if this is continuing upside, so definitely we are bullish. Okay, so you see dollar index is super bullish. Okay, so that means dollar currency, you see this currency is stabilized. Okay, so like you see electricity current, we use the stabilizer. Okay, we use the stabilizer. Use the stabilizer to stably maintain the flow, energy flow. Okay, electricity flow. The same way, this dollar is stabilized. Okay, they're using stabilizer. Okay, Twitter. So that is why some bullish moves are there. Beautiful bullish move. See, traders, US is involved in war. We saw beautiful momentum. Okay, so it's all planned and prepared. So they're not playing games. Are so serious right now. Okay, and you see, whole NATO 16 countries are involved now. Okay, and Trump is forcing the NATO. Okay, so Trump is forcing the NATO to go against. I mean, 10 on 1 will be 10 on 1, 15 on 1. Okay, so that way it will be 10 on 1. That is Iran. All NATO nations they'll be supporting. So they'll be supporting US to destroy Iran. So a lot of tensions going on. So now you see one by one by one by one one by one by one. You see all the all the nations will be getting involved in the World War. This is World War III already started. Okay, so this is World War III already started. So you can just check out the news, US versus Israel. So you'll come to know. So already the World War III started. So this is the start. Okay, let's see, traders. Future is in God's hand. We pray for peace. Also, we had that trend line. Also, you see, trend line is also broken as well. Trend line is also broken. So that is why I told you now everything depends on this low. Everything depends on. Okay, I didn't took the break. I'm sorry. Okay, traders. So I'll be taking a quick break now. US session is open. Okay, US session is open. So let's see what happens. At the end of the day, market is all right. All right. Always correct. Am I right or wrong? Yes, brother. Yes, market is always right. Market is the king. Okay, so let's see, traders, if we are breaking this, if we are breaking this low, if we are breaking this low, okay, if we are breaking this low, then we have some opportunities for downtrend after a retracement. Okay, so before going, I'll explain you each and everything. Now market is respecting 50% of this level. Okay, so I'll be back, traders. I'll be back within 5 minutes. Until then, complete 20 likes. Let's go, traders. If you haven't liked our stream yet, so make sure you smash that like button. Let's go. So you see market is moving in this direction, in this range. You see market already made a big move. Okay, market already gave us a big move. Now market is just moving in this range. Okay, so what will be our confirmation? So our confirmation will be this breakout. Okay, so after this breakout, so again we are waiting for that retracement. So we cannot get sell, we cannot get involved sell below this level. Okay, so once you get the breakout, this will be a 5-minute market structure. So you wait for the retracement. Okay, so you wait for the retracement and then again you get involved in sell side. Okay, here below this, don't get involved in sell side. So you can check out where the price made the lower low. After that, you can just enter a quick counter trade, buy trade, and then can continue sell side. Okay, sell side probability is 70% and buy side probability 30%. You always enter the right direction. Okay, and second scenario, if we are not breaking this, then from here itself, thing like this, maybe some liquidity hunt, then a continuation, again continuation, breaking this. Our target is this. Mark the target. Target is this 5400 range. Okay, so if you are not breaking this 5000 range, not 5000, 5073. Okay, so 5073. If we are not breaking this, then definitely we are going to break this level. Okay, so continuing this uptrend, this will be considered as a liquidity sweep and also inducement and then a continuation. Okay, traders, any doubts, any queries? So please let me know in the comment section. So I'll be ending the stream within few minutes. Okay. And we are not getting enough likes. So I'll be ending this stream. Okay, traders. So I'll see you tomorrow. I'll catch you tomorrow in the London session. Okay. Okay, Mr. Chow. Thank you for your comment, brother. And thank you for joining in. And make sure you subscribe to our channel and make sure you smash that like button. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Most welcome. Okay, so take care. This is the only level that we have. Okay, Abhay. Yes, bro. Bye bye. So I'll give you an option to ping me. I'll give you an Abhay, I'll give you an option to ping me right now after I close this stream, after the ending of our stream. Yes, Mr. Chow, happy Holi, and this is the festival of color. Okay, so may God bring a lot of color into your life and keep your family healthy, safe forever. Okay, so make sure be a man and now try earning money, a lot of money. Okay, so war situation, you see, it's all the events are pointing finger towards World War III. Okay, so this thing is very serious. So you start earning money. So money is the only thing that will save you. Okay, so from all the difficulties, so money is the only weapon. Start earning money. So if you don't have any account, so make sure you check out my link. So link is in the description, 5%ers link. So you can open your account and you can buy, you can start with 5K. Okay, you can start with 5K and then with that withdrawal, you can buy big account. Okay. Mr. Pramod, thank you. Thank you for joining in and you're most welcome. So let's see. Okay, so this is the only thing that you need to focus today. So mark this 5 minutes structure and also mark this 15-minute structure. So if we are not breaking these structures, both of the structures, if we don't get a candle close below these levels, okay. So if we are getting candle below these levels, then there will be a lower low, wait for the retracement and again try to continue. Okay. If after making this lower low, if we get a change of character over here, okay, so then wait, then you can enter from here buy side. Okay, so that's the scenario. So now as of now we are waiting for that breakout Let's see if that breakout is confirmed, or else if this breakout is not confirmed. Okay, so we have a lot of demand this area. If this breakout structure is not confirmed, okay, so then we can slowly and steadily we can start moving towards our higher high. That is this one. Okay, that is the 5400 level. All right, traders. So I'll catch you tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be active in the London stream. Okay, so make sure you join our London stream. And let's see, tomorrow we'll start finding trade opportunities. We'll not waste any time. Okay. We see yesterday my mouse was not working. That is why we missed this account. So we missed this change of character. We missed this move. Or else I was going to continue this whole session. Okay. So I was going to stay active for this whole session, but mouse was not working. Okay. So that was a big problem for me. Okay, traders. So unfortunately, that is why I also personally missed this move, but I was totally aware of this move. Okay, so once you start following the market structure, then it's 100% mechanical. Okay, so even if you lose once, then your whole money will be recovered in the second, third trade. Okay, staying consistent is very important. Okay, so it doesn't matter how much money you earn in a single day. It doesn't matter. You have to work regularly. You have to work regularly. You have to work regularly. That you have to maintain that consistency. Okay, so you have to maintain that consistency. Some days you might earn big. Okay, so you have to maintain that consistency. Then some days you might lose. Some days again you're winning big. Okay, sometimes you're losing, you're winning. But overall, you need to maintain that consistency. If you are able to maintain this consistency, then only trading will be available as an option for you. Okay, so if you're looking for big money, if you're looking for big money, you don't have patience. If you're looking for big money, you don't have patience, then you will end up losing. Okay, so patience is necessary. So this was the change of character. This was the continuation from the 78% level. Also, this trade didn't give us a breakout, so there were several confluences and we got this move. So this was a pinpoint sure shot move. This was a huge opportunity that we missed. So not a problem. So tomorrow I'll be active in the London session. Okay, traders. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Okay. Peace out. I'll catch you tomorrow.